How to replace a Cash App debit card. In this tutorial, I will show you how to replace a Cash App debit card. First, open or launch the Cash App mobile application. Just like you can see here, this is the homepage of the app. When you have a card already added to your Cash App account, there is normally a card section at the bottom of the page. Once you tap on it, this page appears where you will see more options that are related to the card. From them, scroll down, come to the section named Manage Card. Under the section, there are several options that are related to the card management section. Scroll through them and look for one named Get Card Support. Once you tap on it, this other page appears. From the options on the page, tap on the one named Report Card Issue. Once you do that, you will land on this other page where you are supposed to select what happened to your card. At the bottom of the page, there are various options related to the issue. From them, make sure you tap on this one here named Card Damaged. Once you do that, this page will appear. On this page, Cash App is giving you two options. One is reordering your existing card, which will cost you nothing. The other option is designing a new card, which will cost you some money as indicated here. So choose the options that fit their needs, and then you will need to provide the address you want the card to be sent to, and you will receive your card. The process is that simple. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to replace a Cash App debit card.